a senior lecturer, Department of History and Political Studies, KNUST. Now, okay, se bampeni echo UN General Assembly no, and some more corporate ye bine se ebibi mine. Yeni a yedi akwa nko asumu ni ade no. Ese sebe yetimi ekai na empata bi wo ho ni ade kra no a. Sebe ese ebibi mine ahodo ekọ nko asumu yenya. Na no meka kire se Ghana fo a yedi ekọ ye no, enya asem ketwa. Na wo mu na esua abakosem abeni mu ye pa. Yedi se yebisa saade no. Anase hwehwani mu keke. Dr. Owusu Ansa, good morning. Doc, good morning.
Good morning.
Na pomu ye de.
Nyame adom me ho ye pa na megidi se mo ho ye.
Adom ne mpaibo ye ho ye pa. Na mami misa o se Ghana a ye di animu se ye kopre sa reparations yi e de ama abibiman nkwasoma ye ko mu yi no. Ebise ehun nia because ye yankasa kra de ye hu konkwasomo dodo. Sa de ye ya ye emfaso ben na wo so ehu hia ben ni hia ema abibiman.
Minia me da se mi chesi fo so na me sha se kra ma me mo abaso ne na mi tie o kakra ne indiscipline sem no na wo ka ho asem no.
Yeah.
Mi gidi ye pa se Ghana ha industry ba ko a yen taxe anka no betumi aye gold ama ye pa ye indiscipline. If we tax indiscipline and no be source of income power ma buy no. Because we share senior you city no batek junction na na wo kanu a edipa etwam a ya footbridge no onam fom obi etwam no obi gina ho no atitikita ma no one city a na ka driver si a omo gina ho na ama traffic a che o tumi hu se omo na ama traffic ya che
sure
ye nyina ye etwam ho we burn fuel nko a sa traffic no a trot for man che ho no ye say no ho no the value to swa Kenya some kitwa.
Yeah.
So I think it's time we should tax the indisciplined industry in Ghana.
Sure.
Traga for you chemo on namuben kumu on namudifa in the driving so they can keep part of the traffic indicator will be a show for collector. But when you be management in the building, we should begin to tax the indiscipline in this country.
Sure.
That we may come on. The woman is the actually pododo. Sanko moa aircourse we are chedodo. Then come I also say a shafera because African kwan and you maybe say at you. Yenim say Israel for you maybe at to my type friend the Holocaust no. Mini already is a Holocaust no. Many will say a free 1952 Bepim Sadri, Germany. Edi ani moma omu tuesi kama Israel for as say sika omu tuano ebro $90 billion.
Hey.
Yes, ebro $90 billion. Me ne okata afie momo tua $1.2 billion. And now near course why a friend Holocaust ninti. And see ye di mi gidi ye kura se achem pododo. Na ma mincheche omu di enti a mi gidi ye nso se ewiase nyina ya dane hypocrite na ye wo ho.
Okay.
So United Nations me say me gidi say akoye talk shop ye kasa o ho keke en kwatri no a. The ade friend democracy anka enim say dodo no na edi nkunim na ya hwe say omo a omuso anu so omo right nso omo ntabeka no. Edi nya adwuma ewo UN ho no. Omo ka na so di nya adwuma o. Ohwa UN countries and Katano continent a maomuni papa nations in the Africa. Africa is 54 countries. Even Asia, you shared almost the largest land, and I say of the continent in the Sono, almost 48. So share UN for NCC. America, North, Central, South, almost 35. Europe, almost 44 now. And Oceania for also I be about 17 so over 190 countries there 193 depending on the political situation any idea. But me na obeje to say your security counselor say no.
Yeah.
Asia for ba China almost 48 countries UN ho no. Russia thought that don't can Europe for ho thought that don't can Asia for ho but almost ba ko it me fan say Europe for no e ba ko no. UK for ka ho, France for eka ho, and the USA eka ho. in terms of numbers, our countries, 54 countries, Africa has no representation as a continent. If we are saying, I say Africa is the second largest continent, you need representation on the Security Council. A horn and Tokwanesha say free. Meaning, I say, Ushemua, if we are saying, no. Adia baako ase o ti campaign o se wo ye adwuma bia ne board den pa ye ya friend of human and labor force no you pay for it it is we are saying na be 400 years omo de countries bi de amama bi de ono mu ntua labor cost senka mo ye adwuma na level fam mo ye adwuma o nyina ye ntua moka na mo ye adwuma ma ona no nko a be 400 years e den a o nya ska e den a o benya ska na nya no kura ne hia de wo mu pa ne se ya na nipa dodo na adwen ne se na president Mahama koye no akoye se omomfa sika bi mre ye nko a de bi nya sa kura ne tie 10 points ene wo yo mu koye ye ne mu omo se de hia edikan omo pe ye performer apology mimi gitum se countries bi o ha omo di kan apachew na mimi giri ye kura se Ghana e o se yeso ye de ehun kwaka ho na ebe ya aka yenso ye pachew because Ghana yeso slavery no na ye di mu akutini bi yenkofo ni bi na tichi ni pa ni bi tunton wo mu sunye ska Netherlands, Denmark and Benin or my Benin formally oma pachow for their roles are play in slavery. Other countries visa France ni Portugal ni UK no oma make statements on it but almost share down pachow nia ye president say ni say nkomo pachow na fe so nka omuntua bibi se na omutua na ema Holocaust ni omo ye no and na after so ye cultural program public health crisis aba yare bi enam sa de na omo ye ni ti no eno akofa aba and na after so psychological rehabilitation technological transfer and na de hia ba ko debt cancellation sa nyomai point be 10 na ma emre ni ntimi nko ni nyina mu eno and na say amaya ewo ebibire mu ha na President Mahama edi anim asha say that so president former president Nanado or shase bi onu kra banona ebinimu edidi san komo ipen ye prese enkosi dapen ena wiase no begia tun se ne esi ye no ebi si da enti se ne omo ye Holocaust no unim de ekosi say Holocaust is a course ye kire e universities all over the world.
Okay.
Yes. Israel for making sure say even KNUST here in my department would teach Holocaust.
Right.
But slavery no I say obi akra baby o hokro mo pese o mo beboso obi ere free. And so when slavery ni si call ye no ene ne Holocaust no call ye ne numbers involved no a ikasanwe ke wo se baby aye ka slavery ni so asem na ne omo yema Israel for nam Holocaust ni no Africa for nso ye bi mai na ba kokora ehia wo mu no se wo museum se wo abrochire dodo no ana e nyoma omo ko fe free other places Asia and Africa ene wo ho na ya san fo ka akọ na ya kotu eska akọhwe bi omo fa ya de mre e mo de mi gidi ye pa se ne omapanyin Mahama asha se a oye no ehu hia pa
but edian ni de na why historian ni o hwe ni mu senke ensaka enka ebeboa yen ibinimu expect material reparations see benya bibia yebetimi de ensa so mse ade we o mbefa wa ha ba o masa ade abre yen ana bibisa bibi obi sa ese ye hwe ni mu
ne amemigiri ye se ebeboa ye pa ye se structural de ye friend of structural slavery no ye bema eswate.
Okay.
Ne me can say ye ka structural slavery no a eno de enye ni pass abre o ne mom no ya ye system no such that enyoma na slavery no de ma omo no still a omunya free Africa ha. Me patcho so what ma say.
Okay.
Slaves no na they provide labor. Na omo ye ni free. Enyoma na omo ye na omo de ma abrofo no still no abrofo no da so nya sa enyoma no they still benefit from Africa in that way. Enu nti no ye structure say ye nyoma na ye de kwa adwama nso na omo na ebebobo ama ye nse ye beto ni sei enne nyoma nkitinkiti bi asabeti say ne American say Africa ye ni anu kra o UN ye ni Security Council no so sa nyoma structural ones no sa abre so omo gitum no omo pachewa na e wo say ne e fe no psychological rehabilitation, you know. Say yen so sebio ya kan nipa ho bi. Enu nti say kan sama na say ye bibia. E ye betumi aye ne se na esipe abra obi a meka se da bi mama nko ni sei, monko ni sei. Empo ekwan fa so kra ye development kra no. Say ya obi tumi ba o se da bi me mpe ni sei, monye ni sei. Na aye say ye tien. Aye say yini, aye say abofra bi ada bia ye tien no.
It is na no ye royalties. Doc, it is na no ye royalties here ye see they call 12%, 5 and 12% yeah. China any UK for near day tre say eno de esododo no. Sa na wo pa kire.
Enu bi na me pa kire no. Enu ti enye ni patron sabre. Nemom sabre ye ton ye conscience. Ye ton ye dibrete humanity say ye nipa no. Omo atena ye so kakra ho. Eti apart from sa nyoma no e bi a debt no so because no kwasma e wo mo pa ne say enam say omo fa Africa for ekoe omo transfer omo fa nipa sa abre na nko omo de wa hoden a omo betumi aye adwuma na omo de omo koe enti say omo de mo omo ba ho no mo be ye adwuma ma wo anya sika de a so di sika ne bi bo me bese ade a e wo say on so debt cancellation na say enyoma bi sa tumi koso e wo say omo show bibi ema ye hunu say ampa omo nu omo sania omo ye ma holocaust as abre am no ka say in the year 2024 omo tua 1.4 billion. This year, almost 1.2 billion, over $90 billion have been paid since 1952. Again in Omoyama, Africa.
It's true. Who here, but doc, say now we can so before Momo who then corner the gosi kuri. And then the Omo Freya say Yambrawu. I say, Yan ye Paco, and they so the plane BC Accra International Airport. See now say, oh, Penipa Bay 500 the crowd or Makwa. One reya, Nipa Bay 10,000 baby busu, a yamabuno who are days said you're now walking. Ah, you do Omko Yed may you, Omo Ancasa, the Omo Bebasa, bro, for money you, dear Mayedjuma. Ain't he? Yan Cassa said, dear slavery, Nancy, and ye dear Hukoma. Ewo, a bit ya bruce Susi, and so on qua, obey any day. Sadiano. Ye bear then na etuo etumietwa as o man yemfa Ghana nko a
eno ene psychological rehabilitation no ayi hia no eno nso ene ni ana make as structural slavery no say anhwe ni yi a uza na wo ye example bi say ye ni ankasa ya de a ye betu ne ha no obi sa on tia say ye nte so mebo a
yeah
o te so a de ebesi sika o man ni hia san ko de be o man ni yi na nka wo unwane sa wo ko mo ho no. What do you say? Kosikane for more. Say, and Kaye to your good. And that there is a very good I have found a fee a future mui. A Kayas Abe 50 years. A think $1 baby there on it. And Unti, and Yoma Omaye almost saying fact that the metropolitan capital of the world no is still Europe. And see, Sabio, Yeti, Ubia to Paya or Pencrana Kumasiako, and yes, I net. It is a one could see we cross on one power one. A bed then or moon and can sell more bedroom.
Yeah.
And see a chrome of acquire Europe, acquire America. It's in a yin I cohono.
Yeah.
The moon sanka or more my pine. Nanka and your my free hanomono. Ya bomb war. Nanka and your penny pay and your my to me yet. Not a yen answer your fair who see a leadership catra. Meaning, Nisse, Sabio, you can need baby.
It's true. Doc, Mammy Nancy Anope. I think say what my entreche bebre and penny some bit any answer no.
A thought our muti, Nemum, and she say, ah, ye the boy we have to mine and more quite more moon maybe. Say, Osha 1960 no 60s no Kwame Nkrumah, Patrice Lumumba mo, and near Denwa. Almost say no maybe say as a pa. Then so ye win not any peculiar as a shame for 40 to 2 moon so in the 1960s, 70s, there were a lot of coup d'etats in Africa. Sabrin Himutre said don't want answer Naya Brofuna Shetri said a beya and no more free a colonial rule no, they will continue to get it. So we are your mayor, and yet they are Yene woman about because you are still getting everything. And we are getting nothing.
Doc, and son me jawa mo akono. Enra mi hu ade bia na me yam ahye kakra. Ye te hwa ye prese bruni wa hye yen so a we ma yakonko asu mu a enu ntino ompata ye. Enye akiri kura South Africa heye. on se omo wa abrofo ho ne ye wo abibifo na South Africa abrofo no kane no omo share abibifo no so dodo eni ade a omo mpese abibifo benya twaka echi omo fa ahodie ba ne bibini wo ye bibini a wa utumi ye obibia ne ade ene South Africa fo no omo ye tuntumfo abibifo no omo hu omo yonko abibifo a efiri kurofoforo so aba afedi omo hu omo se nkoa de omo ye omo nyagro na mepese mahwefo ba na me bisa kwan ba ne yebefa so se wo ba Facebook a guy ye ogina hwe onye South Africa ni na wabebie shop e wo South Africa na South Africa fo no abase omo mpene mano mabuna e wo ho ni bia ka omo abom se omo mpene mano ne ebro omo buru wo Facebook anya agro de behwe eti won to shop no na onfa ne passport on free kromu okra omo ma ne kwan e ma ne nya adwuma wo ho and a very sad doc ye yankase ye de ho konkwasom enu no awo wa che South Africa de ye nhwehwo bibi man yankasa nkabomu ku no de na ese omo ye
mini ameda se na we nso no ho ne awo ka ho asem no ye symptom records no ewo ho ye tie ne se epra na abrofo no ewo South Africa no mudi omo so ye de friend apartheid na ekoso no na abrofo no omo woni a omo kire anase omo kire bibifo omo schools mo ena omo wo ne omo kire abrofo enso omo schools mo na ne ana omo kire bibifo omo schools mo no omo nya independent na sa ankofo aye ma omo sa antete no omo ntumi nne omo ho so because they were not taught to be independent. The patchomini are what you say. And we see the padona or pronumua, Meno Caseno. Omu ninim dia, Omu petmi dia juma. And now South Africans never do no. Omu ye train within that era no. Omu to me in juma because they don't have the knowledge to work. It will be a free Zimbabwe and also free Ghana no maybe on no educational system no and koyesen ya na omo Bantustans then you know muti etre blacks na dey different books ya na omo dey kire omo dey kra na different from their editorial brofo dey enu nti sabre no omo wonkofo bi a ye training omo under those regimes na ebinim nso nko school no kra na ade ana aye sama na hwacha omo system ni mo they cannot find jobs to do because they don't have the skill, they don't have the knowledge. It is obi from chamber na obeya na no so akoda ne asem ho enu ti a structural issue anka wohwemu a ebra ebifo benya akonya se omo amampanyin no. They should not just educate the young ones in South Africa. They should find some means to educate and make sure say omo anyini was South Africa omo anyan tete epa na apartheid no so will be skilled in a way so ko South Africa obehunu say ukọ company bi ma obehu abrofo nko a na bia watchman no no ye bibini ni adwuma omo ye no akwai te say ne omo te omo mamu no so omo ye liberate wo ho no omo hu so bi edi ye kakra bi a na de ani bre ene asoshe kakra na ya aba. And most of their farms, no, so near their lands, no, are still in the hands of the boys. So, because now we are Juma or plantation, to whom we know, yeah, Juma or Bruni plantation. So, and then my political parties need be a home pono. You know, any tobacco or Debian and any Abrea or Pribis, I say, a Bayan Casaseno, or Monshena, or Monsanchena for Frosted, a Bay, Nipan Binya, a Jumae. Meanwhile, hey. To the idea of Chroma being a baby adult. Yeah, the Nentessa, the Omasa, Sinis to Omunsem. And on also, I answer a man education and a scale of which media Juma. Yan Trenesa, it's 1 year day. If we begin to address the causes, Mijidi is a symptom, Tayuino, a sobete. Many are the Tiapa.
Okay, Doc. Medase Paninchi.
Nanometi Samudin Komobi, school for our more painty interchange, you know. Sure. Now, with my 30 seconds, now, may appreciate me. I cosono. Okay. Now, I'm in some caution, Kakranso, and Soso. And now discussions in the senior meeting who say air corner. Okay. Unim say, ye school for any idea, and Kaunia be say, ye the beer. And no more confidence in Kwana a builder because of course schools be brimami no me no name say a entire visual art students no. Yeah. But we know a year idea be a special moon crime obiti kra obe pese obeye bibi etisa. Na the other angle I made stress and penny phone show ye because I obeti so biko ye bi o jiska na politics ni ade e wo mu no. Painting the concept could have been developed by another person.
Okay.
And see, people have been sued for using obi idea and the concept of painting.
Okay.
Me know can say we are say we painting and war dempa yenim Mona Lisa is around 850 million to $1 billion.
Wow.
You painting it that ho. The young fan is that obi develop painting the another artistic work be or no we register now we patent be no be say there. The school for he can sue the government for using his concept.
Okay. And you're so, careful.
You many be I know the traditional, you can use them.
Okay.
But as we move on like this, because the step you say open a J contract, no need to say obi bars branding and then wakoja debin and painting. A be or you school here, the old PhD thesis. Na say wo studio what a picture bi na me pese me use a e o say me frɛ na me get permission and sign na me use
sure
yes I meet me use
okay
that same way if you use someone's concept of painting publicly now the person can sue you
okay
say while using intellectual property
right
it's as much as possible now the echo so no you hear discussions because the emphasis section can company be na koje contract no any painting or kwakoye or hwa concept you have to go and pay some loyalties and sign what to me and all those things become part of the cost.
Okay.
We should be guided the concept now we should screen it we have the right to use them now that should be all
right. Doc, that's a good advice to Dr. Frank Amwakohene and the team. I think some will be taking notice of this. Na ankofase mo amechi. Because at the end now we na nkasa no nim will be ono so to tell PBB wakwasemu. Dr. Daniel Owusu Ansa, Senior Lecturer, Department of History and Political Studies, KNUST. And then in the Kochichen Komono I have